Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You don't need to sit perfectly. You don't need to do this right. Just allow your body to rest exactly as it is. If it feels safe, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. This is your time. Nothing to fix, nothing to force. Right now, you are safe. You are here. Bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it yet. Simply notice the inhale and the exhale. Slowly begin to breathe a little deeper, in through the nose and out through the mouth. With every exhale, imagine your body releasing tension. Shoulders soften, jaw loosens, belly relaxes. Your nervous system is beginning to settle. You are allowed to slow down. Now, gently scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas that feel tight, heavy, or tired. There is no judgment here. Your body has been doing its best to protect you. Imagine a soft, warm light forming at the center of your chest. This light is calm. It is intelligent. It knows exactly where to go. With each breath, allow this light to expand, flowing into areas that need care. Not to force healing, but to support it. Your body remembers how to heal. Now, gently turn your awareness inward. You may notice emotions or memories or simply sensations. Whatever arises is welcome. Nothing is wrong. Imagine the healing light wrapping around these emotions, not pushing them away, just holding them with kindness. You don't need to relive anything. You are simply allowing space for release. Healing does not require struggle. It requires permission. And right now, you are allowing yourself to heal. Bring your awareness back to your heart center. Silently repeat after me, or simply listen. I trust my body. I trust my inner wisdom. I allow healing to unfold naturally. Feel these words sink into your cells, your breath, your awareness. Your body is constantly moving toward balance, even when you are not aware of it. You are not broken. You are restoring. Begin to gently notice the space around you. Feel the surface beneath your body. Notice the quiet strength within you. There is no rush to return. Take your time. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers, your toes, and slowly, softly, open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you. Healing continues, even after this meditation ends. Namaste.